Hi guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to share my uncle is here today to help me with picking lemons. He helped me and we ended up picking up about 600 lemons for all the relatives and neighbors and anyone that we know, basically, friends and family. And this is a good timing to do this because the tree needs to be blooming again in March, and it needs some room. But because of all these lemons, it wasn't really blooming. So I'm very grateful for my handsome uncle to come over and take care of this for me. Thanks for watching.